If you keep putting things off, pause for a moment. You don't need to finish everything right now. You only need to start for 1 minute. Sit down with what you've been avoiding. Look at it. Name it to yourself. This is what I keep postponing. Now set a timer for exactly 1 minute. Say to yourself, I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm just starting. When you're ready, press start. Do anything small. Open the file, write one word, clear your desk, grab the first tool. 1 minute won't finish the task, but it breaks the wall of procrastination. Notice how your brain reacts when it sees starting as easy and safe. This is how you create momentum. Not by forcing yourself, but by making it too simple to say no. When the timer stops, you can stop too, or you can keep going if you feel ready. Often, you'll feel like you want to keep going because you're already in motion. Small steps now beat perfect plans later. You choose to act, your brain will follow. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.